Okay, today I'd like to cover a quick concept that I hope you remember to do when you do your parts. I just thought of this as I was working on some parts here for a big band chart for a recording session. So the guys that are going to be looking at this music are sight reading it. So what I want to do is make it as crystal clear and as easy to read as possible. Now, I already did a lesson on some part layout things and things like that, but this lesson is about courtesy accidentals. And an accidental, as you know, is a sharp or a flat or a natural that is not in the key signature. And what we want to do is make subsequent measures or measures that follow accidentals. When they change, we want to make sure that the player knows that they're changed back. And let me give an example here. Okay, this is a tenor sax part, and he's got an A there, A flat there, and the next measure, as you can see, just about a beat away, is another A. So this is not a very fast tempo. So it's not that big of a deal, but I like to go through all my parts and find places that I can add courtesy accidentals to make it easier for the player. Now, this is especially important when you have a fast moving chart, because guys are taking in information, and I should say girls and guys, are taking in information quickly with their eyes. What they'll do is they'll scan a whole measure, or two even, and any help you can give them with adding courtesy accidentals will help. So here's a courtesy accidental. Now we already know this is an A because an A flat is not in the key signature. So what I'm going to do is just hit the letter P in finale, and what it does is it puts a courtesy accidental there in parentheses to tell the player, oop, that's a natural, so we're coming back again. Here's another spot. Now this is a little bit tedious, and I would highly recommend spending the time to go through each part to find courtesy accidentals. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not sure if Finale does this. I think you have to do this by hand, or just going through the parts. If somebody knows that Finale can find all these courtesy accidentals, please let me know. But so I won't have to do this. But anyway, if you write them out by hand or whatever you do, you're still going to probably need to do this. So here's one. Here's another A flat. That's an A flat because obviously we don't need another A flat there. We wouldn't need a courtesy accidental there, obviously, because it's in the same measure. The rule is once you cross the bar line, you go back to what the key signature is reflected as, and that's an A there. So we're going to give that guy a courtesy accidental. Okay, so what you want to do is just look for accidentals and then quickly look in the next bar and see if there's a note that matches that. And is back to the key signature note. So you'll want to find something that's close to there, especially, like I said, as this tempo is probably not an issue. But here's another spot, A flat. A couple of beats away, we have an A. So I want to give him a courtesy accidental there. Okay, a lot of times you'll find some of the same spots and some of the same notes showing up over and over here. Okay, just a couple more, see if I can find one. There's one, A flat, and then we have an A natural there. So as I mentioned, it does get a little tedious, but you can quickly scan and you get better at it as you go along. Going from page to page, let's see, that's measure 44. Let's go back to measure 43. Oh, there we go. There's an A flat. Now check out the next measure here. He's got an A there, and then an A flat there. So I want to give him a courtesy accidental there. Okay, so you get the idea, and it could be flats, sharps, whatever. A lot of times you'll end up with a natural to just cancel it out. Let's see if I can find any more here. There's one. A lot of times it's an A in this part especially, but every part obviously is going to be different. Okay. Oh, I corrected those already. Okay, so you can see. So it does take a little bit of time. I'm going to get rid of this measure, put it back to the second page. Okay, so it takes a little bit of time, but it is worth it, especially if you can have the players not miss that note, because there's nothing worse than having a guy play a half step off in the chord. So that's all for today. I hope that just gave you a good reminder of always checking for courtesy accidentals and putting them in the parts where necessary. Talk to you later.